Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 12th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.04. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of negative 12.87% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 49.13% to positive 5.16%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of positive 49.29%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from positive 8.77% to positive 274.19% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this suggests a future price between $11.98 and $41.20. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI features a notable headline: significant movements in SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price on Monday, fluctuating 17.84% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, the SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price increased by 22.61%, rising from $8.98 to $11.01. During this trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 17.84%, moving from a daily low of $9.52 to a daily high of $11.22. Although the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, it has still risen by 13.04% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator, with a total of 48 million more shares exchanged than the previous day. In total, 91 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price stands 55.92%, or $13.97, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Shares of SoundHound AI, commonly referred to as SOUN, surged by 22.6% today. This notable increase saw the stock rise as much as 24.9% at its peak. This spike can be attributed to positive market sentiment surrounding the company's expansion efforts in the automotive and dining sectors, which analysts view as a bullish sign for future growth. An analyst from H.C. Wainwright has reaffirmed a buy rating, albeit reducing the price target from $26 to $18, suggesting a cautious but optimistic outlook on the stock's performance. However, not all news is positive for SoundHound. The company is facing multiple class action lawsuits, raising concerns among investors. Legal actions are being initiated by prominent law firms, which could indicate potential issues with the company's compliance and management practices over the past year. Such news can create volatility, especially in the short term, as investors consider the impact of these legal challenges against the company's growth prospects. In the long term, SoundHound AI's ability to navigate these legal hurdles while successfully expanding into new markets will be essential in determining its stock performance. If the expansion proves fruitful, it may offset some of the negative sentiment stemming from the lawsuits, allowing the stock to stabilize and potentially climb. Conversely, ongoing legal troubles could undermine investor confidence, thereby negatively affecting share prices. Analyst Ratings on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024. It was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush rated SOUN with a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Additionally, on that day, H.C. Wainwright again assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform, also with a hold action. On the same date, Cantor Fitzgerald gave SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. is receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should the stock experience corrections, support is expected at levels of $9.52 and $8.79. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 53.34%. Further increases are anticipated until a new peak pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a solid technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 61 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 47 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.70 between its high and low, representing a change of 17.84%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 8.61%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a persistent negative PE ratio may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.07. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $10.97. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from various analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, Hom James Ming executed an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Hom James Ming executed an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin executed an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin executed an insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Sharon Nitesh executed an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Considering the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 10.681. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.62, which represents a decline of 3.52%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. exhibits several positive indicators, and despite the stock experiencing a downward trend, we believe it remains a solid choice at its current levels. We anticipate that SoundHound AI Inc. stock will perform exceptionally well over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been revised from a sell to a strong buy recommendation since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by approximately 426/10,000ths of a dollar, beginning at $10.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.